Hello friends, I am Dr. Archana Srivastav. Welcome you in Dr. Archana Homeopathy channel. Today we will discuss about types of COVID infections. COVID infections are of three types: primary infection, second is reinfection, and third is breakthrough COVID infection. Primary infection occurs when the person has been infected from the coronavirus for the first time in his life. Primary infection is usually of serious in nature and mortality rate is also higher. Reinfection occurs after the COVID. The patient was COVID positive, he got negative, and after that he again got infected. The patient report, RT-PCR report was positive. Later on, after recovery, the report was negative, and again due to the infection, the RT-PCR report was positive. This is known as reinfection. Reinfection occurs 104 days after the first day of the fever. It can be 30 days also, but it is usually 104 days after the first day of the fever. Reinfection is usually not of serious in nature. It is because of the gamma interferon, which stimulates the infected cell to produce a protein which prevent the virus to replicate in it. That's why in reinfection the intensity of infection is low. There are less chances of pulmonary involvement, so there are less chances of pneumonia also. But there are systemic inflammation, lot of systemic, non-pulmonary systemic inflammation. So if the inflammation is GI tract, the patient may experience diarrhea. If inflammation is on skin, the patient may have rashes, itching. If the inflammation is in liver, the patient may have poor appetite, poor digestion. If the inflammation is in heart, the patient may experience arrhythmia and so on. In reinfection, the virus is not of same type. It is usually mutant virus which causes reinfection. In this way, we can see that in reinfection, the intensity of infection is also low and mortality rate is also low. In breakthrough COVID infection, the infection occurs after the vaccination. It may be due to the very poor immunity of the patient. The patient may have got infected before the vaccination, or maybe due to the very low antibodies. In spite of breakthrough infection, we all suggest that we all should get vaccination. By vaccination, the herd immunity will develop. If most of us will get vaccinated, a herd immunity will develop, and in this way, our planet will get corona-free. So we can say that in primary infection, the intensity of infection is very high, and in rest of infections such as reinfection and breakthrough COVID infection, the intensity of infection is low and mortality rate is also low. By vaccination, we all get immune, our immunity power increases. In very low cases, there are chances of breakthrough COVID infections. So I will suggest everyone get vaccination. By vaccination, there are very less chances of getting coronavirus infection. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box. Wish you all a very happy and healthy life. Stay happy and stay healthy. Thanks.